How to send a snap to everyone at once on Snapchat. Open the Snapchat app and go to the camera screen. Take a snap, either a photo or video, just like you normally would. Once your snap is ready, tap on the Send to button at the bottom right. You'll now see your friends list. To send to everyone, start tapping on each name to select multiple friends. Selected names will get a check mark. You can create a shortcut of friends list to whom you want to send. To do so, tap on the plus icon. Select the friends that you want to include in the shortcut. After that, tap on the edit icon from the top of your screen. Choose any one emoji to represent the shortcut. Tap on the create shortcut button. Select the shortcut that you created. Finally, hit the send icon to share a snap to your friends. And that's how you can send a snap to everyone at once on Snapchat.